When I'm with you, I start to lose sight of the identity I've created for myself. I'm blurring, becoming something new. I want to be happy with who I am, but I want you to be happy with who I am too.
Yo, what's up, friends? Today I'm going to be doing a voiceover for my strawberry inspired makeup tutorial. I've not done a voiceover in such a long time, so I really wanted to do one for this video. And this video isn't even really strawberry inspired. It's just clickbait, so psych. First, I'm just going to be putting my little meow meow headband on, and then I'm spraying my MAC Fix Plus all over my face. I do not know why I look like that. That is not a cute face, Emily. Please stop it. Okay, but then I'll just pat that into my skin. So next, I'm taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer and just rubbing that all over my face. And then I'm taking this like Becca free sample thingy that I got from Sephora, and it's supposed to make your skin look really glowy and nice, so I'm putting that on. I honestly don't know what it does, but it's pretty. It's purple, so I like it. Yeah. And then I'm doing my eyebrows off camera because I cannot do them on camera, and yes, I know they are so uneven. One is darker than the other. I'm very sorry about that. That upsets me. Oh, okay, then I'm just going to carve them out with some concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and honestly, I did not like that concealer for carving on my eyebrows. It did not do a good job, but whatever. And I'm just like so bad at carving out my eyebrows. Like, oh, they look even worse. And yeah, wow, yikes. I am so bad at makeup. Okay. Anyway, now I'm just going to blend them. Watch this transition. Oh, look at that transition. That was so dope. Okay, now I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible translucent powder. I'm just going to set my eyelids with this. And now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. So today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. First, I'm going to be taking the shade MFEO in my crease as a transition shade, using my like Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, I think. And then I'm going to be darkening that up with the shade Pooter, also in my crease. Basically, we're just be layering a bunch of browns together. Wow, how unique. Never done before. And then I'm blending that out with another Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. Make sure you always blend your eyeshadow. That is so important. And then I'm taking this BH Cosmetics brush in the shade Buns. Got big buns, hun. Okay, but this is like a reddish brownish color. It's really pretty. We're just gonna be adding even more definition in our crease and then blending that out also. And then lastly, from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking this dark brownish color in the shade Central Park in my outer B, so my eyes look poppin'. Yeah, okay. And then I'm taking the same brush that I carved my eyebrows out with, and I'm going to be putting some concealer on my eyelids so that the pink that I take from this Take Me Back to Brazil palette shows up more vibrantly. I do not know why I use pink because, like, aren't strawberries red? I'm so stupid. What the heck? Okay, whatever. I do not know what was going on in my mind, but I should have used red. I'm so stupid. Okay, whatever. Whatever, we're gonna ignore that. Okay, it looks fine. It looks fine. It's okay. Time for lashes. I'm using my Dodo lashes in the style D115. You guys can use my code EmilyXSci for some money off. Their lashes are so nice and perfect and amazing. I love them so much. Now I'm gonna be doing eyeliner with this like Ciate eyeliner, and my winged eyeliner looked really good that day. Wow, okay. I'm like surprised. Dang, Emily, look, go you. Okay, now for face makeup, I'm starting off with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I love this foundation so much because of the spatula. It is so satisfying to apply. And here we have a really cool time lapse of me blending out everything, because do y'all remember those like OG beauty guru days where everyone had like time lapse of them doing their makeup, and it was just those were the good days. Those were the fun days. Okay, now I'm going to be adding concealer everywhere on my face, on my flaws, just to highlight. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I really like it a lot. I know it's not cruelty free. I'm sorry. Okay, but it's a really nice concealer. And here's another time lapse. After that, I'm going to be taking my NYX Wonder Stick. I love watching people put contour on. It is so satisfying. It's literally like they're using a crayon. I have a question. Do you guys say like crayon or crayon? If you say crayon, I hate you. Sorry, it's crayon. It's not crayon. Crayon sounds weird. Okay, now I'm going to be blending it out, and I'm sorry I don't have a time lapse for that, but I did blend it, I promise. And I'm going to be setting this with an e.l.f. contour kit, and now we're going to bake our faces. We're going to be putting our faces in the oven. I'm taking my wet beauty blender and then this L'Oreal translucent powder that I used from earlier, and I'm putting this underneath my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, underneath my contour, and also on my forehead. And then I like to drag it down underneath my contour. I learned that from Haley Morales. And then now we're going to wait like 5 to 10 minutes and then sweep it all off with a huge face brush. I'm using this BH Cosmetics face brush, and I love this part. It is so satisfying, but we do not want our faces looking crusty. We want our faces to look perfect and smooth and beautiful, so we got to blend everything in, and also make sure you put it on your neck. Now I'm going to be adding some brown underneath my eyes. And then I'm also dragging some of the pink that I used earlier underneath my eyes. And then I'm taking this like shimmery color in my inner corner just to highlight. And now I'm taking this like NYX eyeliner. I'm just going to be adding this on my waterline just for some shine. It just adds a lot to the look. And then we're going to be applying lower eyelash mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. I think this is like the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. It's so nice. Now we're going to finish off the rest of our face. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. Here's another time lapse. Woo! Looks so cool. Okay. Anyway, now that I look like a doll, I'm taking my highlighter. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Times Emrazy highlighter. And I'm using this Real Techniques brush. I'm spraying it. And you can't even see me putting my highlighter on. Wow, I'm literally a failure. Okay. I'm just be highlighting my face. And wow, it looks so nice. Dang. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to be cleaning this look with the Ciatic Glitter Flip Matte Liquid Lipsticks. These are so nice. I'm using my finger to apply this just so it kind of gives a more natural look, and then I'm just be adding some gloss over that. Now don't forget to set your faces, everyone. Here, I'm just taking my hair out, and then now we're going to be setting our faces. Yeah, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. That is basically everything for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and listening to me ramble while I talk about my makeup. I love y'all so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Adios.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna